Okay, so we're all done with the 10 boxes and we want to submit it to DPNG. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your name is on here, your last name and maybe your first name too, and with the word 10 boxes on it. So what we're going to do is we cannot submit it or share it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot. So if you look down on your keyboard, you'll see that there's a keyboard on the top right side of your keyboard. It says print screen. So you're going to press that button, print screen. Now I took a picture of the entire computer screen. So now you're going to go to the program GIMP on the PC. So you're going to go to the Windows Start button and open GIMP, and this is what it looks like. This is the GIMP program. It's a raster program, and we're going to paste the image, right? So before we paste the image, we're going to after we open the GIMP program, you're going to go to File, New, and let's make it US letter, and let's make it landscape, and click OK. You get a piece of paper that's about this big, and then we're going to paste it. Edit. We're going to paste whatever's in the memory of the computer. So when you take a screenshot, it goes into the memory, and we're going to go Edit, Paste, or Control V. Now you notice that now it took a picture of the entire screen that I was working on, and here's actually a picture of the program, the GIMP, right? And you can see that I'm actually recording, and you can see the background, the desktop. So what I want you to do now is click on this tool. This is the crop tool, and we're going to crop it. Make sure you have your name is visible. You have your visible name there, and you can see your image, and you're going to hit enter. And now I cropped the image. So I have a cropped image of your assignment. Now on the right side here, you see a floating selection right here. You're going to right click on the floating selection. Let's see, right click, and you're going to select anchor layer. And now we want to export this. So we're going to go File, Export As, and we're going to export this as a PNG. And we're going to save this into your Documents folder. So we're going to go into your Documents folder and go into your folder and type in the last name, your last name. Maybe let's put your first name too. First dash first name, and then dash 10 boxes. 10 dash boxes. Okay, save it or export it. Okay. It's taking a while. And click export. And there it is. Now I want you to go to your to Google Drive. So you're going to go to your Google Drive, and you're going to go into your computer applications folder, and I guess we'll just leave it in here. We'll go to New, File, Upload, and we're going to select we're going to go to your Documents folder and select the one that says PNG. Well, actually, maybe you might not be able to see the extension. I can. But it says Rodriguez, or your last name for 10 boxes, and you upload it. Once you upload it, you're going to click on the file here. You're going to click on the 3 dots. You're going to go to Share. You're going to go to Get Shareable Link. You're going to change this to More. Anyone with the link, save it. you're going to copy the link. Done. Then you're going to go to a DPNG, log in to DPNG, and paste the link, and you submit it. Okay.